Hello guys, so I hope all of you will be fine. So today we are going to solve question 26 of our book. Here we have previously solved question 24, and in question 26 we are asked to convert each of the SOP expression to standard SOP form. Okay, so these are the answers which we have got from the question number 24 and we have previously solved. I will also put the link of it with this video here. Okay, so this is part A, this is B, this is C. Okay, so here I have to convert each of them into the standard SOP form. So before it, what we have to do, let me write the domain of these. Okay, so the domain for A is B, C, D, E. Okay, for B it is B, C, D. Okay, these are B, C, D. Okay, and for C we have B, C, D and E as well. Okay, so these are the domains for each of the questions which are in A, B and C. Okay, so here let me solve only one question, and that is part A of our question, and here let me find the standard SOP. Okay, as we are asked in the question 26. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have this expression which is written, and here we have three products. Okay, so what are those products? Those are BC, okay, also B, C prime, DE and also DE. Okay, at the end what we have to do, this is part A, at the end we have to add them, and we can see that what are the deficiencies and which terms are deficient here, as we can see here in the domain. So in part BC, here we have the deficiency of DE, here all is complete. Okay, and here the deficiency of B and C. Okay, let me write commas here. Okay, so in order to convert this BC into the standard form, what we have to do, again using the same formulation, first of all let me multiply with it the D plus D prime. So from here I will get BCD, okay, and plus BCD prime. Okay, also as we can see that here in each term now E is deficient, we can see that here and here in both of terms E is not available. So let me write here what with both of them I have to write BCD E plus E prime and also BC D prime E plus E prime. Okay, so let me write them here, or let me convert and write them here. So multiplying this term here and this term here as well, what will I get? Here I will get BCDE plus BCD E complement plus BCD prime E plus BC D prime E prime. Okay, so this is what, this is the term which we have obtained for this expression. Okay, which is here for this expression, this is completed. Now for this part which is DE, let me solve it, and for it the deficient terms are what? These are B and C. So first let me write B plus B prime with it. Okay, so after it I have to multiply it with all the terms here. So what I will get? I will get DE B plus DE B prime, or rearranging it, what I will get? I will get B DE plus B prime D, E. Okay. Now we can see that what are the deficiencies here. We have the deficiency of C here. So therefore, let me multiply here C plus C prime with both of these terms here. So what I will get? I will get B D E C plus C prime and plus B prime D E C plus C prime. Okay. So now also taking it and multiplying it with all the terms here, similarly it and all the terms here, what I will get? I will get here B D E C plus B D E C prime plus B prime D E C plus B prime D E C prime. Okay. Or rearranging it, what I will get? I will get B C D E plus B C prime D E, okay, plus B prime C E D, and here B prime C prime D and E. Okay. So we have this equation here and it is already calculated. What at the end we have to do? We have to add, let me write this one as the equation A, this one as B, which is already completed, and this is C. I have to add what? Let me move down somehow. What I have to do? I have to add A plus B plus C. So from it, what I will get? I will get, let me write it. So the equation A is B C D E plus B C D E prime plus B C D prime E and plus B C D prime E prime. Okay. Similarly, equation B is B C prime B C prime D E. Okay. And equation C, which is here, that is plus B C D E plus B C prime D E plus B prime C E D plus B prime C prime D E. Okay. So we have these equations. So before going further, let me see that what are the terms which are equivalent. So BCD is BCDE is here, also here as well. Okay. So let me write them with a single term. So let me first cross it and it will be represented by single one here, BCDE prime. So let me see that where are the BCDE prime. There is no one here. So no term like BCDE prime. So there is only single term here. So let me choose this one as well. So similarly BCD prime E. So BCD prime E, there is only one BCD prime E. So I will write it BCD prime E prime. Okay. So there is no BCD prime E prime here, any other. So I will also write it. So similarly BC prime DE. So BC prime DE, there is also this one. So let me cross it and only this term will be written here, that is BC prime DE, and others are also similar. So let me write the final answer here. So the final answer of it will be B C D E plus B C D E prime plus B C D prime E. Okay. This is, and plus B C D prime E prime. Okay. And this one 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4, fifth one here is BC prime DE. Okay, other terms are cancelled out, and the second last term is B prime CED and also B prime C prime DE prime. So this is what? This is the term and that is the answer. So this is the final answer of my question, which is now in the standard form, because all the terms here contains all the elements which were mentioned in the domain of its equation. You can see that every term here is basically composed of B, C, D, E. So this is basically what? This is the standard sum of product form. Okay. So that's it for today, in which we have seen that what are the steps of converting any of these term of product form to their standard form, and we have seen all the steps which we had to follow here, and this is all about it. And for the other questions, these are left for your own practice, and this is the answer of question 26, and I hope you have understood all the steps which we have carried out here. For any question, you can write your questions in the comment box. Okay, so thank you so much, and I will see you soon.